Okay, I'm going to import a SWF file into Adobe Animate. One of the bad things about doing it the way I'm doing it is I'm going to have this. It's going to, once I import it, this is going to be where I have this on the stage is where it will be imported. So say if I have it in here, it's going to show up from here to here. That's where it will go to show up on the stage. So let's say if I put it over in this corner, once I import it, it's going to show up in this corner. So maybe I can move it up over a little bit to the right, and so that'll be the little bit of space, and then it'll be at the top, and it'll add a little bit of space here onto the other stage that I imported into. Okay, but so now I'm going to make this into a SWF, which I can go into the publish settings, and we got that there. And this is what it's going to be called, SWF, and we'll just do publish, and we'll do OK. See if that shows up. And they should be right here. Let's check that. Yep, and you can see it's got a little bit of that little bit of space that I let, and then it goes right here to the top. So that's the right one. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to wait a second here. Whoop. Wait, before I do that, let me go into my next. So I have a new page, and this is where I'm going to import it into. And I need to add code, so I need to go into my actions. So I should, let's create a new layer and call it action script. And click on that layer, add my action script. And this should be my action script. This is going to be my SWF file name, and this is right here is going to be my movie clip name. So I needed a movie clip or a button called BC underscore MC, which is my initials, and then movie clip. But it can be either a movie clip or a button. Okay, whoops, didn't want that. Okay, now we'll go into my layer, and I have my, and let's see. Maybe we can change the color just to show that you can change the color of it. All right, spending too much time on this, sorry. Make this one into my button. We'll do this as the stage. All right, we'll call this one my button. And we'll call it BC underscore MC. All right, now we want to go in and with the code, we want to add I'm going to copy and paste that entire symbol name, or the SWF file name. I'm going to copy that. So Command C. Go back into my Flash, or Adobe Animate, and go into my code. And I'm going to paste the name of it right here. Okay. And And it should show up right in here after we do Command Return. Once we hit this button here, and there you can see it pops in there. So this acts as a button. I did forget to show how to create the button, which you would do that whereas you'd create this, just a shape. Let's change the color. And you can put that anywhere. And you do modify. Make sure it's selected. Modify. Convert to symbol. Movie clip. Call it BC. Click on there. In the instance name, it was called BC underscored MC. And if you go into the code and see, that's what that was named, BC underscore MC. So that's the name of my button. Okay, and then we'll do Control test. Then you hit the button, and then your movie clip will show up right there.